Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. I am JP Yadav in Electrical Department. Today, the topic is Clipper circuits. In previous lecture, we discussed Clipper circuits. What is Clipper circuit? What the Clipper circuit works, the principle of Clipper circuit we discussed in details. So in last slide we discussed the Clipper circuit is a circuit which cuts the portion of AC signal which is used in motors, industries, etc. How works the Clipper circuit? Types of Clipper circuits we discuss in these slides. Series positive Clippers. What is series positive Clipper? In Clipper circuit, we use only diode and a resistor. We are not used any types of storage devices like capacitor, inductor. Only diode and resistors are used in Clipper circuits. In series positive Clipper, the diodes are arranged in series with input AC signal. Then the connection is called series. Positive means this circuit cuts the positive portion and gives the negative portion in output, so it is called series positive Clipper. So in series positive Clipper, the positive half cycle of the input AC signal is removed. Positive half portion is removed, only negative half portion is obtained at the output. If the diode is arranged in such a way that the arrowhead of the diode points towards the input and the diode is in series with the output lead resistance, then the Clipper is said to be a series positive Clipper. So in diagram, diode are in series and resistor in parallel. We takes the output at RL and Vi is the AC input voltage. Waveform show input waveform, positive cycle, negative cycle, positive, again negative as a sine wave. This circuit how works? At first, diode works in forward bias and open in reverse bias. Okay. So at a first, input is positive, but Vi is positive, A point is positive, diode D, first portion of diode is N, negative. A is positive, D is negative. So the connection is reverse bias. So the diode is open circuit and output V0 is not received at the RL because no one current is flow through the diode. So RL output is 0 and the output voltage, positive output voltage is 0. Now input is negative, A is negative, D is negative, both are negative, so diode is forward bias. So current flow through diode and we received the current voltage at the load RL and the input, negative input is obtained at the output. Again positive input, same cycle repeat and positive not received at the output because diode is reverse bias. Again negative input, diode is forward bias and output comes at RL. So details are here. During the positive half cycle, terminals A is positive and terminal B is negative. That means the positive terminal A is connected to N side and the negative terminal B is connected to P side of the diode. As we already know that if the positive terminal is connected to N side and the negative terminal is connected to P side, then the diode is said to be reverse bias. Therefore, the diode D is reverse biased during the positive half cycle. During reverse bias condition, no current flow through the diode, so the positive half cycle is blocked or removed at the output. And during negative cycle, terminal A is negative and terminal B is positive. That means the negative terminal A is connected to N side and the positive terminal B is connected to P side of the diode. As we already know that if the negative terminal is connected to N side and the positive terminal is connected to P side, then the diode is said to be forward bias. Therefore, the diode is forward biased during the negative half cycle. During forward bias condition, electric current flow through the diode, so the negative half cycle is allowed at the output. So in positive cycle, diode is reverse bias, output not received. In negative cycle, diode is forward bias and output is obtained. Input is negative, output is negative. Okay. Series positive clipper with bias. What is bias? Series positive clipper, diode are in series. Circuits gives the negative portion, cuts the positive portion, but we use a battery with diode, so it is called with bias. Diode connected with battery are in series, diode are in series, and battery is connected with diode. Sometimes it is desired to remove a small portion of positive or negative half cycle. In such case, the biased clipper are used. Okay. If we want to remove a small portion, in previous topic we removed the full wave of positive cycle. In this circuit, we remove only a portion of the positive cycle, not full portion. So biasing are used with diode. The biased clipper are used for this condition. The construction of the series positive clipper with bias is almost similar to the series positive clipper. The only difference is an extra element called battery is used in series with clipper with diode and battery, like this. This circuit is similar to previous section, only battery VB DC battery is connected with load, because in previous topic the diode, this circuit clips the positive part and gives the negative part in output. When the battery is connected, then this circuit is not removed all positive cycle, it removes the portion of the positive cycle. How? Battery VB have a some volt and positive terminal of battery is connected to diode and negative terminal of battery is connected to B point of the circuit. When positive input is gives at the diode, the positive A is positive but diode is negative. Starting point A increase the positive voltage, we use sinusoidal waveform. With sinusoidal waveform increase slowly, the input is increased slowly and battery VB gives a fixed voltage to the diode and diode D is forward biased by the battery VB and point A is represent negative reverse bias. So a portion of the diode is reverse bias, but opposite portion of diode is forward bias. Which bias is more? If battery voltage is more, then the diode is forward bias, and when the battery voltage is small, then the diode is reverse bias. Because at first input is positive, A is positive, but diode one part is negative side of A, then the diode is reverse bias. But battery VB gives positive supply to diode at a fixed value. At first VB is more than input Vi, then the diode is forward bias and current flow through RL due to VB, and output comes at positive portion. When input is slowly increase, Vmax, then the diode is reverse bias because battery VB voltage is small and input is greater. Vi is greater than VB, then diode is reverse bias. In this condition, diode is work as a open circuit, no current flow, and a large portion of positive input cycle is removed. So in output waveform, large portion of input is removed because diode is reverse bias. In reverse bias, diode work as a open circuit. In negative cycle, diode is forward bias. Battery VB is connected with diode forward bias. So which input Vi is greater, VB is greater is no matter. In both condition, diode is forward bias and output received as well as input negative Vmax. This cycle is continuous. Again positive cycle, then again VB gives the output, and when output is greater, input is greater, then diode is reverse bias and output not comes. During the positive half cycle, terminal A is positive and terminal B is negative. That means the positive terminal is connected to N side and negative terminal is connected to P side. As we already know that if the positive terminal is connected to N side and the negative terminal is connected to P side, then the diode is said to be reverse biased. Therefore, the diode is reverse biased by the input supply voltage Vi. However, we are supplying the voltage from another source called battery. So in figure, VB is battery. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to P side and negative terminal of battery is connected to N side of the diode. Therefore, the diode is forward biased by the battery VB. Diode is forward biased always due to battery. That means the diode is reverse biased by the input supply voltage Vi and forward biased by the battery VB. The input supply Vi is less than the battery voltage. In this condition, the diode is forward biased by the battery and allows electric current through it, and signal appears across the output. When the input is greater than the battery voltage, the diode is reverse biased and no current flow through the diode. As a result, input signal does not appear at the output and large portion of the positive cycle is cut. Clipping takes place during the positive half cycle only when the input supply voltage becomes greater than the battery voltage. In negative cycle, during the negative half cycle, terminal A is negative and terminal B is positive. That means the diode is forward biased during the input supply. Battery is also connected in such a way that the positive terminal is connected to P side and the negative terminal is connected to N side. So the diode is forward biased by both battery voltage VB and input supply voltage Vi. That means during the positive half cycle it does not matter what the input supply voltage is greater or less the battery voltage. The diode always remains forward bias, so the complete negative half cycle appear at the output. Thus the series positive clipper with positive bias removes a small portion of positive cycle. Thank you all.